Bismillah. Today I am gonna teach you question number 2 part 4. In this question we want to find the value of dy by dx. It means we will differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So we'll apply derivative. 4 is constant, so we place it outside and we will apply derivative on variable. Variable is x square plus 2h is constant and derivative is applied on xy variables, plus b is constant, derivative is applied on variable, plus 2g is constant, derivative is applied on variable x, plus 2f is constant, derivative is applied on variable y, derivative of any constant is 0, so c is constant. Derivative of any constant is 0, so c is constant 0, and 0 derivative of 0 is 0, so directly we write 0. Now 4, here we'll apply power according to power rule. N x and n is 2, 2x, 2 minus 1 is 1, so derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x, plus 2h, here we apply product rule, and according to product rule we will consider this term as u and we consider this term as y. So u is x, derivative of v is y, plus v is y, derivative of u is x, plus b, here again apply derivative of y square with respect to x. So n is 2, x is y, n minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and derivative of again y with respect to x is dy by dx. Here we don't write dx by dx because derivative of x square with respect to x is nx, n minus 1, 2 minus 1, and again we will take derivative of x with respect to x is 1, but here derivative of y square is 2y and derivative of again y is dy by dx, plus 2g, dx and dx, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so 1 plus 2f dy by dx as it is equal to 0. Now 4 2s are 8x, plus we multiply 2h by this term and this term, but we get 2hx dy by dx plus 2hy, dx by dx, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so don't need to write 1, plus 2by dy by dx plus 2g plus 2f dy by dx equal to 0. Now we will combine dy by dx and dy by dx. 2hx dy by dx plus 2by dy by dx, this term and this term, plus 2f dy by dx plus 8x plus 2hy plus 2g equal to 0. Now we will take common 2, and 2 is common from all these, and hx plus by plus f and dy by dx. Now here common is plus 2 2 is common. 4x plus hy plus g is equal to 0. Now 2hx plus by plus f dy by dx. We want to find the value of dy by dx, so we want to we will take common from these three terms. 2 is common from this term, and this term. 2 is common, and hx is remaining, by and f. dy by dx is outside, plus we'll take common from these three terms. 2 is common. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and 2 1s are 2. 4x plus hg plus hy plus g. Now we want to find the value of dy by dx, and there is no need of this term, so we'll take in the right side. Positive sign will become negative sign, minus 2 4x plus hy plus g. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 4x plus hy plus g. This term is multiply, and when we take in the right side, multiply term will becomes divided. So we will divide this term, hx plus by plus f. So 2 and 2 cancel, but we get dy by dx is equal to minus 4x plus hy plus g divided by hx plus by plus f. So the value of dy by dx is this. This is our required answer.